Hello guys, so today I will explain how to select overlapping or close objects in AutoCAD. So the first thing, um, I create that layers just show the different types of lines or objects that you have to select in your drawing. I'm gonna select the first layer, layer 0. I'm gonna select the line, just make sure 90 degree. So I'm gonna create a line here with 5 millimeters. I have the line here. So sometimes we have to draw different lines on top of the same line. So I'm gonna select the second one, the layer number 1, and I'll create another line on top of my first line. So I'll get that point and I'll finish on the halfway here and escape. And I'm gonna make 2 more. I'll take the layer number 2. I'm gonna create another line here. Let me just take half of that one, escape, and then I'm gonna take layer number 3 with the same color that I used with the first one, just to show you you'll be able to select any of them. Okay, layer number 3. I'm gonna create a line here. I'm gonna select the first point to the last point there. There we go. Alright, so looks like I just have one line here. Okay, so if I select that line, this is mean I just select the last line or the last layer that I created. So what I have to do, if I'd like to know if there is more layers under that first layer, the first thing, when you move your mouse or your crosshair on top of this layer and select that one, the very tiny squares will gonna appear closer to your point, that your crosshair. If it's not appear, you have to make sure the selection cycle is turned on. So as you roll your cursor over objects, you will see an icon indicate that multiple objects are available for selection. In that case, I'm not see, so let's turn it on that command. So how can I do this one? The first thing, just type ds. ds means drafting settings, and press enter. So you'll be able to see that window, this pop-up in your AutoCAD. So we have many tabs on the top, so please select the last one, selection cycling, and make sure that first name here is selected. And now you'll be able to see this one in your drawing. Select that one, click OK, and then just click that line and you'll be able to see the list about the line that you create before. Okay, so when you move your mouse on top, now you'll be able to see that icon indicate that multiple objects are available for selection. Okay, I'm gonna select that one, and then I would like to select my line red. Okay, and you ask me why I cannot select my layer number 2, the yellow color, because remember I create the layer in that part, so I have to click here, and now I have that line yellow and I'm able to select that. Okay, I'm gonna select that line, and then if I'd like to move or delete, let me move this way, I'll be able to take that line. Okay, that's it. Thank you.